the Supreme Court's been hearing oral arguments for hours in two different cases that'll impact around 100 million workers faced with the decision of either getting the vaccine or potentially losing their jobs. The justices first heard that OSHA case, but it looks like oral arguments in the second one has wrapped. The second case impacts around 17 million healthcare workers and federally funded facilities, arguing that under federal law, the secretary can mandate this for the health and safety of patients and the prevention of infectious diseases. You know, lower courts on that OSHA ruling had originally said that it can temporarily authorize, but that didn't apply to the vaccine because the vaccine is something that's permanent that cannot be undone. And here's some of the arguments that we also heard.
So when does the emergency end? I mean, a lot of this argument has been about Congress's failure to act. 2 years from now, do we have any reason to think that COVID will be gone or that new variants might not be emerging?
We don't think that there's an additional free-floating requirement about emergency status that has to be taken into account.
So it could be an emergency 2 more years from now.
Well,
now, the OSHA mandate, that impacts private companies with 100 or more workers using an emergency authorization to protect workers exposed to quote unquote grave danger for 6 months. They either have to get vaccinated or get weekly testing and wear a mask. Opponents of this argue, though, that this would be very costly financially for businesses and it could also lead to work shortages. But here's another issue that was raised.
Most OSHA regulations, all of the ones with which I'm familiar, affect employees when they are on the job, but not when they are not on the job. And this affects employees all the time. Isn't this different from anything OSHA has done before in that respect?
focusing just on vaccination, I think that that's a way to describe it.
Well, opponents of this case have argued that this is an overreach by the executive branch, and it's something that should have gone through Congress. But in both cases, OSHA's actually delayed putting that into effect while this is all litigated. So no financial penalties for companies. The Supreme Court, of course, is actually going to be looking on ruling in this in the coming days or weeks, not usually the months that it takes for them to reach a decision like this.